The condition of the rescued Philam activist Chantal Anicoche continues to improve while she remains in the custody of the Philippine Army 2nd Infantry Division. However, a militant group held a protest regarding her custody. The 2nd Infantry Division has a clarification to this. Full details in this Patrick De Jesus report.
In newly released photos by the Philippine Army 2nd Infantry Division, the cheerful smile of 24-year-old Filipina-American citizen activist Chantal Anicoche is very evident. This is far from the anxious state she was in when soldiers rescued her on January 8 in Sitio Mamara, Barangay Cabacao, Abra de Ilog, Occidental Mindoro, 1 week after an encounter with rebel groups. Anicoche is now in stable condition in the presence of a third-party lawyer from the Integrated Bar of the Philippines. She also signed an undertaking to remain at the station hospital of the 2nd Infantry Division at Camp Kapinpin in Tanay Rizal while she recovers.
Dito naman sa 2ID, we honor that undertaking because the Army is always on the side of human rights. No? We put primacy on the rights of a human. The rights of a person.
Despite this, militant groups once again held a protest in front of Camp Aguinaldo this Monday. They are calling for Anicoche's release from military custody so she can choose her own lawyer. They also believe that Anicoche was merely forced to stay at the 2nd Infantry Division camp.
Hanggat nasa military custody si Chantal Anicoche and anyone else for that matter, naniniwala po kami na hindi tulubusang malaya yung mga choices at decisions sa ginagawa ng anyone under state authorities ang custody.
The Philippine Army denied these claims, saying that representatives from the U.S. Embassy have already visited Anicoche. There was also reportedly no manifestation from Anicoche or her family requesting to meet any of the groups seeking access to her.
So makikita mo talagang nanggugulo lang yung mga interest groups. Ang manifest ng undertaking ni Chantal can stand legal scrutiny. We have covered everything kasi alam natin na magiging issue yan. Yan papunta ang sasabihin ng ibang grupo. Kaya minabuti natin na pulido ang pagkaka-execute ng manifest of understanding niya.
Although she is considered a person of interest in relation to the encounter, the 2nd Infantry Division clarified that Anicoche is not under detention. She may also leave the camp hospital anytime she wishes.
Hindi nga siya detained. Ano siya? Patient siya. So pag okay na siya, hindi natin siya kayang i-hold. Hindi na siya pwedeng i-hold. No?
Pero so far, sir, may mga vital information na po ba siyang nahibahagi po sa inyo patungkol nga po doon sa nangyaring encounter, like paano po sila nadala roon or paano po sila sumama po doon sa encounter site? Malapit po sa encounter.
Hindi pa ako pwedeng masyadong mag-share sa ganyang mga bagay kasi ongoing pa, hindi pa tapos, hindi pa conclusive.
Focused military operations continue in the area of the encounter, and based on their assessment, more than 10 individuals remain missing. Patrick De Jesus from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.